Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller, which also indicates that the whole robot is made of fischertechnik. TXT controller is based on ARM chips and running embedded Linux. Also based on RoboPro firmware, and that is one of the main focuses of this episode, because due to a test with my other robot, the walking robot, which has a similar controller, I have upgraded RoboPro on the laptop, which runs Fedora Linux, and before I can go on with this robot, I have to upgrade the firmware as well to make the versions equal. Another thing that I want to do has everything to do with the camera. This USB camera is inserted right here. Last time I experienced a problem with the USB. Usually when you disconnect USB, at least using Linux, then the interface disappears. It's no longer active. However, when I reinserted it, I had 2, and after that I had 3 USB instances. And that didn't really work out, as you might understand. So my idea is to test that as well. But first, like I said, firmware upgrade. So let's see how that goes, and for that I switch to my laptop. Alright, so strangely enough I had to dim the light a little bit in order to see the display properly, and this touch pen is needed for touching the display nicely. So yeah, I have a battery pack but not connected because the firmware upgrade will take some time, so I have attached it to the AC adapter. So right now, power up, which I'm doing not in the right way, by the way, because now it starts in the Unity firmware, and I need to do it in the standard firmware. So as soon as this is powered up, I need to power it down again and eject the SD card, which is right here. Alright, push the button, shutting down, and when it has shut down, like now, ejecting the card, which is now done, and starting the correct firmware. Can you properly see it? Not really, unfortunately. You see the button lighting up, but that's all you can see. Let me lift the phone. Now you can see something, and display goes off. That's not good, and that's due to this one. Okay, next attempt. Oh, that's not good at all. So why is that not correct? Okay, here's a problem. Let me reinsert the power connector. Let's try again. Nope. Okay, I have a problem here which occurred before. Somehow the connector inside is not entirely good in this one. Okay, hopefully now it works. Yes, it works again. So let me reposition the camera. So hopefully you can see something. Yeah, now it's visible what is happening. Still not very well, but and now I'm in. So now, oh yeah, of course I have to set this, and this is default wireless. That's good. And now somehow it should notice that the firmware is not the same. So that's interesting. Why doesn't it notice that the firmware is different? So let me go to settings and info, and it says 444 instead of 466. So really it should notice the difference. Okay, let me start again. Over Pro. And by the way, these are the SSH windows, and here I want to receive the pictures, but so far that's not going to happen anytime soon, I'm afraid. Okay, now it has connected. So now it probably will happen. Let me diminish this window again. Same thing. Why doesn't this happen? Okay, I will do it off camera because this takes longer than expected. And finally, after rebooting the whole controller once or twice, it finally sees here that there is a network connection, and then automatically spots the firmware difference. So now I say okay, do it, and it says a transfer error. So once again yes, and this will take some time. Quite some time, and in the end I'll show again. So let's hope this goes well. And this is the final stage of the update. It is scrolling a lot of information, and after that you can see it switches off automatically, and you have to see the display for progress. And it has taken some 8 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes in total. So yeah, that makes a pretty long process for such a controller. And then after switching on, it has the new firmware. Alright, upgrade complete I should say. And one of the interesting things I notice is not only you have to set it to boot the SD card and switch on the SSH daemon, but you can also have a web server and a VNC server, and for me the VNC server is most interesting, but that is for next time, because as I said in the beginning of the video, I want to explore the USB connection, and for that I have to boot into the community firmware to see if that is still working. That said, let me go to the ordinary display and see if the camera still works. For that I am using, as you can see, the Android tablet for now. Switching on Android, and I should be getting an image of the laptop. See, that is what I wanted to see. So that is alright, which means, did you see it? Yes, you can see it. Alright, so that is one thing, and now reboot into the community firmware and test UV. With the robot learning the community firmware on the ground again, let us first test if this is still working. No, it isn't, because it's running the other IP address, which I have to set, and this is 133. And apparently it has to accommodate a bit, I think. So alright, that's it. New try? Yes, here I am. Alright, that's good. I have everything, including, I think, a battery. Yep, I had to change battery pack, but because the one that I have on the table did nothing at all. Fortunately, I have a few battery packs. Anyway, now I have to log in. Yes, that is working. Right, same thing here, just for the sake of it. No, 0.133. Right, so this means that I will, oh yeah, that's another point, of course. Right now we are living the 24th of June, and it is in the morning. During a vacation variant. So this is the correct one, and this is the code, and here I will run the code and hopefully have here an image or two or three. Yeah, okay, camera connected, very good. And then here you can see propeller working. There are the objects. So all I should do is give a password. And then hopefully, likely, no. No, no, no. Why doesn't it do what I want? Has it done what I wanted? It doesn't do what I want. It's not sending anything. Oh, here, one, resolution. And image, yes, okay, image, it did send. So, display TXT image, 6, 24, 10, 7, 9%. Okay, so now accept this network error, which I'm going to ignore. And let's put on the result image as well. Oh, that's even worse. There's nothing in the result image. That is really bad. Then again, 6, no, that's the only 624. Oh, this is really bad. Yeah, there are two 624 here, but there's only one here. So no wonder. And that's an empty one. But then again, I was for the USB. That's what detected. Then can't get frequency. Okay, so now I am going back to this one and remove USB. Can you see? Yes, you can see. And insert again. So now the question is, what does it do? What has it done? 1 newly connected. Okay. So how many cameras does it have? It has 2 cameras. Nothing has changed. It lists 2 cameras. Bad thing. Very bad thing. But unfortunately, that's what it is. What to do about it, I don't know. How to go on, I don't know. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please support my blog and videos by becoming a patron. And depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. Or become a co-producer. And you can also donate via either PayPal or Wired, which is IBAN European Banking. And please take a look at my website, which is listed under this video or in the last segment. To be continued. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.